Now it's time for exercising. Exercise 17.
Number 1.
I was 15 minutes late for class today.
Better late than never.
What does the woman mean?
The answer is D. It's good that the man went to class on time or not because the woman said better late than never. So it means like it's good to him to go to class instead of not at all.
Number 2.
Do you want to work on the biology experiment together?
2 heads are better than 1.
What does the man mean?
The answer is C because the man said 2 heads are better than 1. It means like it's a good idea to work together.
Number 3.
I really don't want to work on the report now.
There's no time like the present.
What does the woman mean?
The answer is C. It's best to get it over with now. Exercise 18. About a part-time job.
Conversation 1. Questions 1 through 5. Listen to the following conversation about a part-time job.
I'm looking for a part-time job on campus.
Then you've come to the right place. The campus employment office is here just to help students like you find jobs on campus.
I'm glad to hear that, because I really need to start earning some money.
Let me ask you some questions to help determine what kind of job would be best. First of all, how many hours a week do you want to work?
I need to work at least 10 hours a week, and I don't think I can handle more than 20 hours with all the courses I'm taking.
And when are you free to work?
All of my classes are in the morning, so I can work every weekday from noon on. And of course, I wouldn't mind working on the weekends.
I'll try to match you up with one of our on-campus student jobs. Please fill out this form with some additional information about your skills and leave the form with me today. Then you can call me back tomorrow and maybe I'll have some news for you.
Thanks for your help.
Number 1. What does the man want to do?
The answer is A. Find work on campus because the man wants to find work on campus in the employment office.
Number 2. Where does the conversation probably take place?
The answer is C, yeah, in a campus office because the woman said herself.
Number 3. How many hours of work does the man want per week?
The answer is not more than 20 because when no more than 10, it means he cannot go over 10. But he can go over 10 but cannot go over 20. So the right answer is C. Now exercise 19. Find the question. So for the question 1, we have several answers. Find work on campus, work in the employment office, help students find jobs, ask the woman questions. So the question is, what does someone want to do? And then question number 2, we doesn't have the answer yet, the question yet. So the answers we have in the library, in a classroom, in a campus office, in an apartment. So the question might be, where is the man and woman? Yeah, where is the conversation take place? And then third question, we also doesn't have the question yet, so we have to read the answers. A, no more than 10. B, at least 20. C, no more than 20. D, up to 10. So the question might be the frequency, how long the men want to work. So this is exercise 20. Listen to the first part of each of the conversation and decide on the topic of each conversation. So we have to find what the topic is talk about. And I will just answer the first question. What is the topic of conversation 1? So conversation 1 have a topic that a student asked to the officer about the campus, about the work in the campus, and then the officer, the woman, explained about the work that he can get, and then what he should do to get the work, and then about the time that the men want to work. But for easy and simpler conclusion, we can tell that this topic is talk about searching and finding work on campus. Thank you!